So it is 6:45 here. I am hiking Ward Mountain. Poor Jenny couldn't make it this morning. She's been kind of having some hip pain from our past few hikes. So I'm just kind of out here doing this one on my own. So I'm here at the trailhead and it's about 6 miles to the top. So we'll see what happens. So last night it snowed on most of the peaks, so I can already see some snow, some fresh snow of the season up on the top here. And I don't think I'm ready with my shoes. I need to get some nice boots or something. Jenny reminded me to get some boots. So I'm coming up on the 3 mile mark here. I've been going for like an hour, a little over an hour. And the first 2 miles were a breeze. But man, it's really been kind of taking off here in a vertical kind of way. Anyway, it's a beautiful trail though. I'm excited to see what happens next. Well, I officially made it into the snow. I'm hoping it doesn't get much deeper than this. It's just kind of spotty on the ground, like maybe half an inch.
How light carries on endlessly, even after death, with shortness of breath, you explain the infinite.
Well, I had my headphones in listening to music, and I thought that this puddle here was just frozen dirt, but then I stepped through it and it was ankle deep water. So now my shoes are nice and soaked, and the temperature keeps dropping the farther I go up. So now we're gonna have to make it a quick hike. See that? I just did it again. It'll be fun.
You say it one more time, that the universe was made just to be seen by my eye. And I couldn't help but ask you to say it all again. I tried to write it down, but I could never find it.
Well, I made it to the top. The snow got up to about 8 inches. Just kind of dusted off with all the wind up here. But man, the views are crazy. Oh yeah.
I'll explain the infinite. How rare and beautiful true.